Hi and welcome to Basic Mixer. Today we're going to try some coconut flour shortbread cookies, and also we're going to make some Zoodles, which is noodles made out of zucchini. So let's get ready to mix it up. I already have the oven preheating to 350, and now we're going to mix up our cookie ingredients. Pretty simple. We have 6 tablespoons of coconut flour, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, and about a teaspoon or so of vanilla extract. Okay. So let's oil our baking sheet here. I do have the oven preheating to 350. Oh, come on. That seems spicy. There we go. Okay. Coconut flour. Coconut oil. More like 2.5 tablespoons. Okay. See how this goes. Let the spoon hang out here on the baking sheet. See how this mixes it. Like we're going to get too many cookies out of this, but that's okay because I kind of wanted to see how it would taste before I made a whole lot anyway. Okay. Maybe I should use a teaspoon. I'll try with this tablespoon. A little faster. Okay, so let's see. Go ahead and put these in the oven and go on to our Zoodles. We're going to let that bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so we'll check it at 8. Okay, and then let's work on our Zoodles. Now you have to be careful cutting these with this cutter that I have. I've cut myself before and I was thankful that my finger was still there after I cut it. It's kind of bad. So, but if you have a spiralizer, you can use that. You can use a vegetable peeler. Several different options in order to get the same effect. I already washed my vegetables. I thought I had a knife here, but I didn't see it. So let's get one. Okay, so first I'm going to put some vegetable oil in our pan. and heat it up. First I'm going to chop a green onion. Top of it. What I like to call the hairy part. I'll take that off and go ahead and chop that into our pan. Of course, probably that's not the best way to chop it. Probably could have chopped it on the chopping board or something, or on a plate. Okay, I'm going to cut this top off of the zucchini. Okay, and I guess I'll cut both sides. Okay, so I cut both sides. And I'm going to use this. I'll show you the blade here. This makes a thick kind of a noodle, maybe kind of like a fettuccine or something. Okay, so I'll show you that. So I use this to protect my fingers, although I also need to protect my thumb. Okay, there we go. And you can put any kind of sauce on here. You could put Alfredo sauce, would go nice, or you could put a tomato sauce. I just like mine with olive oil and seasoning, and I'm going to add a couple of eggs, and of course we have our green onion. And I might put just a little bit of soy sauce or aminos. You can substitute soy sauce with aminos. Take a look. Okay, so your zoodles, yeah. Alright. Put those in our pan. And put a little garlic powder. If you put garlic salt, it might be a little too salty. I personally don't like too salty. A little onion powder, and a little seasoned salt. Stir that around a little bit. Eggs in there. Seasoned salt on that egg. For just a few minutes there. Just put a few drops of liquid aminos. You could use soy sauce if you want. I just like a little bit. I don't like too much. But season to your taste. And if you wanted more of an Asian flavor, you could add some sesame oil if you like. Probably a little fish sauce would be good. So this could be good any time of day. You could eat it for breakfast if you wanted, or lunch, or dinner. Anytime is good. Good time for Zoodles. It's healthy and low carb. And the more eggs you add, the more protein you get. And of course, eggs have lots of vitamins in them. Okay. Let that cook just a little bit more. You don't have to cook this for too long, just so that the noodles or Zoodles are, see, like the thin ones are already pretty much done, so just need maybe another minute or so for the bigger ones. I like mine a little crunchy, but if you want them soft, just cook them for a couple more minutes. Alright. Don't forget to add any other kind of vegetables you like. It can be delicious. If you wanted to, you could, instead of putting eggs, or in addition to the eggs, you could put some chicken, some sliced cooked beef, whatever you like. So enjoy, and let's check on our cookie. Oh, it should be, it was about 8 minutes. So let's see if they are done yet or not. Looks like it. Okay, so here's the coconut shortbread cookies. Ideally, we would let them cool for a minute. I kind of want to see what the consistency is like. Take a look. Alright. Pretty good. Should I taste it? You know what? That's pretty good. I can taste the coconut flour a lot. But it tastes pretty good, so it needs to cool, or else it'll be a little crumbly. But there we go. It's a taste adventure. It tastes quite a bit like coconut flour, but it is sweet. There we go. It's definitely sweet enough. So enjoy. Here we have a healthy meal and a healthy dessert. So please like and subscribe and share, and check out our other videos. We have Kool-Aid cupcakes and animal videos and gardening videos, all kinds of exciting things. So thank you and have a great day.